In the next demo about the business modeling, I would like to showing you how to create a consumption model based on the sales analytical data set. And then we will create a perspective. Let's look at the system. We will navigate to the business builder again. Click new consumption model and we give a name as book sales consumption model 2. And then we select the data set we have created in the last exercise and click create. And here it shows you the overview of the consumption model. And then we haven't added the dimension source yet, so simply select the book dimension and click add source context and click create. We'll also add the dimension for the date dimension, and then we move to the measures. To select the measure for the consumption model, we choose both and we select the attribute. We select all, exclude the duplicate one, and let's make sure to check the checkbox allow public data access. Click save. Let's review the data. I would like to see all of the record. Click OK, and then just quickly review the data. Now I think the data is good for everything, including all of the fields. Now I would like to save it as a perspective. Now we have created a perspective. Of course, you also can create a perspective, maybe just for the books and then calendar month to adjust the specific question for the sales KPI for the current month, and you can do that with many perspectives as you want. And then with that, we'll need to deploy the perspective. Once the perspective has been deployed successfully, and then now the perspective can be using to do the visualization in the SAP Analytics Cloud.